The CDC today announced new guidance on mask wearing. The guideline says healthy people can stop wearing masks in areas where COVID is posing a low to medium threat, and right now that would include all of the counties in Connecticut. But there is a piece within the guidance regarding school buses that is causing some confusion with local officials. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Leslie Gooden joins us live in the newsroom. Leslie, what are leaders in the community saying about all this?
You know, Patricia, the new guidelines say as of today, masks will no longer be required on private or public school buses. But bus drivers say they still need to follow TSA's mask mandate that's still in effect. Take a listen. On Friday, the CDC announced that more than 70% of Americans can take a break on mask wearing indoors. And they are no longer requiring people to wear masks on public and private school buses. The new guidance has left school bus drivers with many questions.
It will be confusion. We know that we fall under the federal mandate with DOT for at least the next 15 days. I'm hoping that at that point that their requirement will fall into line with the rest of the school boards within Connecticut.
DATCO is referring to the U.S. Department of Transportation mask mandate that includes all public transportation, which was extended last month to remain in effect until March 18th.
What I'm telling our drivers to do is for the drivers to wear masks, because we as the operators have to be responsible and follow with the legislation that impacts on us. And we'll take extra masks with us so that we can give them to the kids.
The CDC guideline says that, quote, the change is to align with updated guidance that no longer recommends universal indoor mask wearing in K through 12 schools and early education settings in areas with a low or medium COVID-19 community level. The school systems, at their discretion, may choose to require that people wear masks on buses or vans. And some parents say this is not a unified approach.
I just feel like they just need a straightforward answer because a lot of kids are struggling to wear masks or not. It's just confusing. It's not okay.
The Connecticut Association of Public School Superintendents says despite the confusion, they are following the CDC's guidance.
The CDC guidance, I don't want to say it supersedes, but TSA, the Transportation Security Administration, administers their guidance in coordination or in compliance with the CDC guidance.
And Channel 3 spoke with the University of New Haven Health Sciences Department to weigh in on these new regulations. And they say we can expect more changes from the federal government in the upcoming weeks.
I think that recommendation hasn't trickled up to a modification of the executive board at the federal level.
And we also reached out directly to the CDC about this new change, and we are still waiting to hear back. Live in the newsroom, Leslie Gooden, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.